What are the top programming languages to learn in 2024? A question that resonates with a lot of us, whether you're a seasoned coder or a beginner delving into the world of programming for the first time. Today, at Tech and Coding with Ola, we will explore this topic in depth, providing insights into the most sought-after programming languages this year, 2024. First on the list is Python. Python continues to dominate the programming world with its simplicity and versatility. It's the language of choice for many in the fields of data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. Not forgetting its widespread use even in web development. Python's readability and efficient syntax make it an excellent choice for beginners and experts alike. Little wonder companies like Spotify, Facebook, Netflix, Quora, Dropbox, Instagram, Reddit, etc. use Python. With Python under your belt, the sky is the limit. Next up is JavaScript. Despite being around for over 2 decades, JavaScript's popularity has not waned. It's the backbone of modern web development, enabling interactive web pages and web applications. With JavaScript, picking up any JavaScript framework such as React, Angular, Vue, etc. will be a walk in the park. Apps such as LinkedIn, Facebook, Uber, etc. are built using JavaScript frameworks. So whether you're building a simple website or a complex web application, JavaScript is an essential tool in your programming toolkit. The third language to consider is Rust. Gaining traction for its memory safety without sacrificing performance. Rust is a systems programming language that runs blazingly fast and prevents seg faults. It's rapidly becoming a favorite among developers, especially those working with system development and game programming. Software like Firefox, Dropbox, and Cloudflare uses Rust. Swift cannot be overlooked. As the primary language for iOS and macOS applications, Swift is a must for anyone interested in mobile app development. With Apple's extensive ecosystem and dedicated user base, learning Swift opens up a multitude of opportunities for creating exciting and innovative apps. The fifth language on our list is Kotlin. Kotlin, the statically typed programming language from JetBrains, is officially preferred by Google for Android app development. It is designed to interoperate fully with Java while providing a more modern and intuitive syntax. Apps such as Slack, Airbnb, Coursera, Tinder, Netflix, etc. are built using Kotlin. The sixth on our list is Java. Java is one of the most popular programming languages used today. It is a general-purpose programming language with an object-oriented structure. It is cross-platform, that is, it runs on different kinds of devices, be it Mac, Windows, iOS, Android, etc. Java has become a standard for applications that can be used regardless of the operating system. Java is also appreciated for its portability across platforms, from gigantic mainframe data centers to handheld smartphones. Little wonder there are over 3 billion devices running applications built with Java. The seventh is PHP. PHP is often regarded as the language of the web, as it is estimated that about 79% of all websites on the internet are built using PHP. Thanks to CMSs such as WordPress, Joomla, Drupal, etc. From small blogs to large e-commerce platforms, PHP has been doing the Lord's work for many years and still going strong. PHP is popular, easy to learn, versatile, compatible, and runs on almost all platforms. It can handle high traffic and large amounts of data without compromising performance or reliability. It is secure, modern, and flexible. Finally, C# is a powerful programming language that powers the backend of many enterprises. I can categorically say that many banks in Nigeria and other African countries build their applications using C#. Having used such tools for several years to build applications for many of these banks myself. C# is a relatively easy programming language. It is object-oriented, fast, secure, and now cross-platform with the advent of .NET Core. So, to recap, the top programming languages to learn in 2024 are Python for its versatility and user-friendly syntax, JavaScript, the timeless tool of web development, Rust, the secure and efficient systems programming language, Swift, the gateway to Apple's vast app ecosystem, and Kotlin, the modern intuitive language preferred for Android app development. Java, the general-purpose programming language, PHP, the language of the web, and C#, a powerful tool that many enterprises use to build both web and desktop applications. Understanding and mastering these languages prepares you not only for the current tech landscape, but also for the evolving future of programming. Remember, choosing a language to learn should align with your interests and career goals. Each language has its strengths and application areas, so choose wisely and happy coding. Please do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Tech and Coding with Ola. Like this video and share them with friends. See you in our next video.